okori Gerard Emmanuel Kurori chairman w'entebe ya Kasha tabwe igombora ya Kitoru nagira ngo abantu bari kurenga mu 5 bamazire kubana bataho mugomboreje kure nayongera agira ngo abatura nibo baherize impungeze byo kurya kandi ishomere ry'impungi zikiroho rikingirwe.
I've talked with the management of the school and the head teacher and they have seen the situation. So we have come to one answer that temporarily the P1 and the lower classes can close because they have finished their exams. So the rest of the classes, they will do exams in some other schools. That's what we have decided to do with them.
Melton Kurori chairman w'entebe ya Kasha tabwa Kanyansi Kitoma Town Council nagira ngo obwa Heart TV naho kutempunja 5 na mushanju ezitahira mu Town Council yeye.
And they are saying that they saw rebels cutting people, killing them and abducting their property. And other people were taken, and when they saw these people being killed, they just ran. And up to now, others are failing to locate their other family members. So we have received them here. We have informed the district, and the district is in the area also verifying others because we have 2 camps.
The farm, we are farm. I'm telling you and I underline it. No remnant will just cross up and come to our country. We are on the ground and we are able manning our border. Yes.
Police, we are in charge of law and order and of course internal security. Now that we have received these people, it is our mandate, it is our responsibility to ensure that their safety here is guaranteed, and we can promise you that they will be safe because this is a gazetted place that we thought it will be safer for them.
Abebembezi nibashaba government hamwe n'ebitongore bindi kurugayo bakahwera impungezi hacwatirine n'ebyo kurya hamwe n'ebijwaro gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.